let's start with the 33rd example. And what is said in this example? A heater supplying constant power P watt is switched on at T equal to 0 minutes to raise the temperature of a liquid kept in a calorimeter of a negligible heat capacity. A student records the temperature T at equal time intervals, and a graph is plotted, the temperature on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. Okay, assume that there is no loss of heat to the surrounding. Then so the nature of graph is asked. So the heat supplied will be equal to power into time, while heat supplied is nothing but mc T2 minus T1, that is change in temperature, power into time. So T2 minus T1 is equal to power upon mc into time. So T2 is equal to P upon mc into time plus T1. So that would be the temperature versus time equation, which is very clear. As temperature is on y-axis, so it would be equal to y is equal to mx plus c, where slope of the graph is p upon nc. So graph is a straight line and it is inclined. In the A option, it is said that graph is a straight line parallel to time axis. No, the graph is having some slope, and it is no, it will not be parallel to time axis. The heat capacity of liquid is inversely proportional to slope of graph. So here you can see that the slope of the graph is P upon mc, while mass into specific heat is nothing but heat capacity. So heat capacity will be equal to power upon slope, which is clear that it is inversely proportional to the slope of the graph. So B is the right choice here. Now in the C part, it is said that if some heat were lost at constant rate to the surrounding during heating, then the graph would be. Then in that case, there will be change in this power part. So in that case, let us say P dash power is lost to the surrounding out of P. So the heat will be equal to P, and P dash is lost to the surrounding into T. So you will get the same equation, that is T2 is equal to, but it will be P minus P dash upon MC into T plus T1. That will only be the change, that is the slope of the graph will change. As you can see, the slope of the graph will decrease. So but here it is said that in the C bit, the graph would be straight line with larger slope. So that is not possible. The slope will decrease because it is P minus P dash, where P dash is the power lost to the surrounding. The fourth option, they said the internal energy of liquid increases quadratically. But we know that the internal energy, so here that we know the change in internal energy will be equal to NC delta T, that is change in temperature, while here N into C and delta T. So delta T is nothing but PT upon MC, which is also proportional to power of single power of T. So again, that would be a straight line and it won't be a quadratic equation. This is also wrong. So among A, B, C, D, only B option is correct. So correct answer to this question is 2. Thank you.